Make a VCD movie from a Sony Handycam. Did you receive a Sony Handycam for Christmas? Lucky you. Now how to use it to its maximum potential. First of all, it's important that you read the manual that comes with the Handycam. This will give you detailed instructions on how you should use your new gadget. To make learning easier for you, take the time to experiment with the different controls to see for yourself how they work. There are many Sony Handycam models in the market today, and most of them boast of such features as Optical Steady Shot for shake correction, face detection for high-quality facial feature recording, highlight playback for easier and more efficient editing, complete with music soundtrack, and touch panel screen which helps you choose the appropriate controls better by simply pressing the appropriate area in the screen. No matter which model you have, however, it's almost always assured that you will be able to learn how to use it without a hitch. If you want to see simplified and general instructions on how to make a VCD movie from a Sony Handycam, read on, insert a tape into your camera. A mini DV tape should fit your Handycam. If you're not sure, you could bring your Handycam with you to the electronics store and inquire with the attendant what type of tape you will need. Turn on your camera. The on button should be prominently displayed, no matter what model you have. Make sure also that you remove the lens cover. To make your recording easier, open the mechanism that has the LCD screen. You will be able to easily view what you are filming. Press the record button. You would know that you are recording if you see a red indicator on the screen. Once you want to stop recording, just press the record button again. Do know that there are other effects and features that you could integrate while filming. To know how to use them, you should again consult your user's manual. You may also go to the official Sony Handycam website for the free tutorials offered there. Once you have your video recorded, you could connect your camcorder with your computer using the cables that came with your Handycam. Save your file to your desktop so you can access it easily. You could edit your video using Windows Movie Maker. For tips and pointers on how you could do this, check out sites such as the official Microsoft website. Once you've edited your video, you could burn it to a CD. Make sure that you have Nero Start Smart. Once you have it, you could easily follow the user-friendly instructions to burning your CD. There you have it. These are some of the very easy steps to make a VCD movie from Sony Handycam. Don't hesitate to experiment a bit so you could find a style uniquely your own. most of all, don't forget to have fun while you're creating your videos. Good luck.